Peppermint tea bags are not just for brewing a hot cup of tea, they can also be used as a natural pest repellent. This eco-friendly solution is a great alternative to harsh chemicals that can be harmful to humans and pets. Peppermint tea bags have a strong scent that insects and rodents dislike, making them an effective deterrent. Let's get straight into how to use peppermint tea bags to get rid of pests. 1. Ants. Peppermint tea bags can be an effective and natural way to repel ants. The strong scent of peppermint is known to deter ants because it masks their scent trails and acts as a natural insecticide. Here's how you can use peppermint tea bags to get rid of ants. Firstly, observe where the ants are coming from and their trails. Common entry points include windows, doors, and cracks in walls or floors. Next, place dry peppermint tea bags directly at the entry points and along the ant trails. The scent of the peppermint will deter the ants from entering your home. An alternative way to use the tea bags is to brew a few peppermint tea bags in boiling water and let the tea steep for 10 to 15 minutes to make a strong peppermint tea. Allow the tea to cool and then pour it into a spray bottle. Spray the peppermint tea solution around entry points, on ant trails, and in areas where you've seen ants. Alternatively, you can soak cotton balls in the peppermint tea and place them near entry points and trails. 2. Mice. A few used bags of peppermint tea can be an effective deterrent for mice. This works because the smell of peppermint irritates the noses of mice, driving them away from your home or business. We recommend placing at least 4 tea bags in every room where you've seen evidence of an infestation. This is a tried and tested all-natural method of pest control for mice that's been used for centuries and often yields successful results in as little as 2 days. You can also use the spray method to repel rodents. All you have to do is boil 2 cups of water. After the water's come to a boil, turn the heat off, add some peppermint tea bags to the pot. Next, allow this concoction to steep for about 6 hours. Take a couple of drops of your dishwashing detergent and add it to the steeped tea. This will help the solution stick to your floors for a longer period. Fill a spray bottle with this solution and coat the floors and baseboards of areas that you suspect mice are entering your home. Repeat this step every 3 to 4 days until you believe you've driven the mice away. It's a good idea to still spray the solution at least once every couple of weeks to keep the mice out of your home. 3. Spiders. To get rid of spiders, all you need to do is brew yourself a peppermint tea and enjoy it as normal. Then take the tea bag out of the mug afterwards and place it where you expect spiders to be lurking. Make sure to stick to the corners of rooms, door frames, and places where spiders could scuttle in, and they can remain there for 3 to 4 days at a time before being switched with new ones. Spiders hate the smell of peppermint, and it's a proven repellent. Peppermint oil as a spray can repel spiders as well. Simply put about 5 drops of peppermint oil in a 16-ounce spray bottle, fill it with water, add a dollop of dish soap, and shake well. Spray the solution around the doors and windows of your home as well as the outside perimeter. 4. Mosquitoes. Peppermint tea bags can help repel mosquitoes due to the strong scent of peppermint, which mosquitoes find unpleasant. Here's how to use peppermint tea bags to deter mosquitoes. Place the bags in areas where mosquitoes are commonly found, such as windowsills, doorways, or near outdoor seating areas. Ensure you replace the tea bags every few days to ensure the scent remains strong. To make a peppermint tea spray to repel mosquitoes, brew a few peppermint tea bags in boiling water and let the tea steep for 10 to 15 minutes to make a strong peppermint tea. Then allow the tea to cool completely. For added potency, you can add a few drops of peppermint essential oil to the tea solution. Pour the cooled peppermint tea into a spray bottle and spray the solution around windows, doors, and other entry points. You can also spray the solution on outdoor furniture and around patios to create a mosquito-repelling barrier, as well as spraying it on your skin or clothes. Reapply the spray as needed, especially after rain or cleaning. The third method is to soak cotton balls in brewed and cooled peppermint tea or in a mixture of peppermint tea and a few drops of peppermint essential oil. Place the soaked cotton balls in small bowls or cups and put them around the house near entry points and outdoor seating areas. You can replace or re-soak the cotton balls every few days to maintain effectiveness. By following these steps, you can use peppermint tea bags to create a natural mosquito-repelling environment around your home. 5. Fleas. Peppermint's a natural flea repellent that's safe for pets and humans. The strong scent of peppermint is unpleasant to fleas, and it can help to keep them away from your home and pets. Peppermint tea bags are an easy and affordable way to use peppermint to get rid of fleas. Simply brew a pot of peppermint tea, let the tea bags cool, and then place them in areas where fleas are likely to be found, such as pet bedding, carpets, and furniture. Peppermint tea bags can also be used to make a natural flea spray. Simply brew a pot of peppermint tea, let it cool, and then pour it into a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto your pet's fur, being careful to avoid their eyes and mouth. The strong scent of peppermint will help to repel fleas and keep them away from your pet. Peppermint tea bags can also be used in the garden to repel fleas. Simply place a few tea bags in a bowl and add boiling water. Allow the tea bags to steep for a few minutes before removing them and pouring the water into a spray bottle. Use the spray to target flea-prone areas in the garden, such as around pet play areas or in shaded areas where fleas may hide. As you can see, peppermint tea bags are a natural pest repellent, which is not only effective but also affordable and easy to use. By using peppermint tea bags, you can keep your home and garden pest-free without harming the environment. So the next time you finish brewing a cup of peppermint tea, don't throw away the used tea bag. Repurpose it as a natural pest repellent. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of pests with tea tree oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.